Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. After reading this ourselves, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. We strive to give and provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We love to make you a happy customer. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.